In our previous video, we discussed common mistakes such as selecting the wrong type of steam trap, miscalculating condensate discharge capacity, overlooking differential pressure, and installing traps in the wrong location. Today, we'll continue with the next critical mistakes. Mistake number 5, not venting non-condensable gases. Where do non-condensable gases come from? They often originate from the steam supply if the boiler doesn't have a deaerator. Even with a deaerator, CO2 and O2 cannot be removed completely. Additionally, after equipment replacement or when piping has pressure leaks, outside air can infiltrate the system. If the steam trap does not have an automatic air vent, these gases accumulate, block heat transfer, and cause system corrosion. Therefore, having a deaerator and using steam traps with automatic air venting. If you want to learn how a deaerator works, check out our detailed video about deaerators on this channel. Next is mistake number 6, using one steam trap for multiple machines. Here is an actual example of such a setup. This approach usually comes from trying to save costs or lack of understanding. I used to do the same in the past, but eventually had to redo everything properly. With a shared steam trap, some machines drain well, while others don't. That's why each machine must have its own trap. Don't repeat the mistake I once made. If your machines are unstable, this may be the reason. Remember, each machine needs its own steam trap. Now let's move on to mistake number 7, incorrect steam trap assembly. Some contractors or designers simply install a basic steam trap assembly with only the trap and one isolation valve. Without a strainer, check valve, or bypass valve, dirt becomes the biggest enemy of your steam trap. Debris can clog the trap. It may release all the steam or block condensate discharge. So make sure your steam trap set includes a strainer. Without a check valve, condensate may backflow from one machine to another. This disrupts condensate discharge. One machine might have sufficient heat while another lacks it. If you're experiencing this issue, check your setup. DIVI also offers pre-assembled standard steam trap units ready to install. Contact us via hotline for a full set quote. Just connect both ends and it works smoothly. Mistake number 8, no condensate separators on the main steam line. Many factories have hundreds of meters of pipe without a single separator. Steam loses heat as it travels and condenses. Every 30 to 50 meters, install a condensate separator and trap station. Condensate should be routed back to the boiler. Without separators, it accumulates in exchangers or elbowed pipe sections. This leads to water hammer, which causes strong vibrations in both pipes and connected equipment. It also reduces steam energy and heat exchange efficiency. Installing separators every 30 to 50 meters is crucial. Even better, use a steam separator. It dries steam up to 95%, protecting the piping and machines from water hammer. Water hammer itself isn't too dangerous, but the real danger comes from untrained operators. If someone opens a steam valve suddenly without proper training, it could cause serious damage to your system. Have you encountered any of these issues? Are there others you might not be aware of yet? Subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos from DIVI Group.